As you already seen in those interview examples, this technique has some advantages as an interviewer, like clear information because interviewee can respond freely and openly to the question. Interviewee will feel like as a part of the project, get interesting comments from interviewee. Interviewer can adapt or reward question during interview, and also more input from direct contact.
Although interview is the most common technique in fact-finding, but there are several disadvantages from interview, such as time-consuming and costly, because you have to follow the time and the location from the interviewee, and also depend how interviewer can communicate well with the interviewee, and also the willingness from interviewee to participate in the interview. The other technique that can we use to gather requirement from the user is observation. In making database, we can do observation at the real situation that represent the game.
In making racing car game database, we can observe several real racing car tracks and the real database to store racing car data, such as several circuits and also the roads. There are several advantages from observation technique, such as describing the physical environment, because observer can see exactly what is being done. Relatively inexpensive because we can observe the situation from our daily life, and also allows observer can do work measurement regarding the real situation seen by the observer. Although observation is an inexpensive technique and easy to do, observations still have limitations, such as possible to miss some informations because the observation object is involving different levels of difficulty. Observer observed the object that not suitable to the project and may be impractical.
The other technique that can we use to gather requirement is research. Research is a good technique to capture more information from computer trade journal, book reference, and also from the internet, including user group and bulletin board.
In making racing car game, we can review the current racing car game that already implemented in the market, and also play the game to know more about game flow and database. By doing research, we can get more detailed information about how to design database for making game. There are several advantages, such as can save time to solving similar problems, because we can see how others have solved similar problems or met similar requirements, and also we can keep updated to recent game development. There are also several disadvantages from research technique, such as limited access to sources of information, and sometimes may ultimately not help in solving problem because problem is not documented elsewhere.
The last technique that can we use to gather requirement from the user is questionnaire. Questionnaire are special purpose documents that allow facts to be gathered from a large number of people. There are two types of questions in questionnaire. First is about free format question, which is allow respondent to answer freely through the question. And the second is a fixed format question, which is the respondent have to choose the answer from available answer.
In making racing car game database, we can make combination of free format questions and fixed format questions. We can ask about the respondent age and gender, the game that they usually play, ask review about several racing car games, and data that the player need to keep by the systems during the game or after play the game. There are several advantages from questionnaire, such as flexibility time for respondent because they can complete and return questionnaires at their convenience, relatively inexpensive because you only need to separate questionnaire through online and a small amount of paper based to the conventional respondent. Respondent more likely to provide the real facts as response can be kept confidential, and response can be tabulated and analyzed quickly. Following the other techniques, questionnaire also has several disadvantages, such as low number of respondents because we don't have channel to reach the respondents. Questionnaire may be returned incomplete, and also validity and reliability of answer are questions.
That's all the technique to gather database requirement in design game database. Now, it's time for you to do the assignment.